लेकिन म्हादयचे बद्दल तुम्ही स्टँड क्लियर करू ना. मिनिस्टर चेंज जालो, स्टँड सेम उरलो काय स्टँड चेंज जालो?
State cannot be changed. It's a legal matter. It has to be go with a legal aspect. It cannot be changed. CM change zala, government change zala. It has to be a consistent efforts to see that we win the case.
ओके. एक आशिल्ले येडियुरप्पा जेन्ना सी एम आशिल्ले, परत ते येडियुरप्पा कर्नाटका सी एम जाल्ले तेन्ना पर्रीकरान लेटर बरयलें, ताका लागून बोवाळ जाल्लो की थोडे उदक वी डोंट मायंड शेअरिंग सर्टन वॉटर. तुमचो स्टँड विल बी द सेम, यू डोंट मायंड शेअरिंग वॉटर ऑर नो वॉटर यू वूड बी अलाउड टू डायवर्ट?
See, I don't know the relevance of that letter. What has happened thereafter? I was not a minister. That's why I need to check if there is any relevance to the Madai case. And our stand will remain same in respect of that letter or that.
You will not allow even a single drop of water?
That was our conviction that we will not allow. For that only we are fighting still in the court. We have recently filed a petition. But we can't afford to leave any water from it.
एक आशिल्ले रेन वॉटर हार्वेस्टिंगाचे विशयी सी एमान विचारिल्ले, सांगिल्ले की WRD घेवन आपण रेन वॉटर हार्वेस्टिंग करतो, वेगवेगळे बंधारा बांदतलो. इज इट कंटिन्यूइंग ऑर वॉट हॅपनिंग?
See, construction of bandara has a different meaning. That is under conservation of water. But rain water harvesting has different other concept like rooftop. That तरेचे आसा. That we need to come out with a policy, and also needs a amendment to the town and country planning it. Because घरांचेर तरी आमी compulsory केलें. At the time of giving licenses, that time we need to put a condition. It is a part of structure to be designed by the